Here we go. 5:03. So as you walk in, you can see my stuff is everywhere. No big deal. Here's the entryway. We got a dining room table, got a living room. It's all really nice. All the furniture obviously came. That's my big crate, no worries. Okay, then when you come in and go to the left, you've got a spare bedroom. There's no bed in it yet. My luggage is in here for the moment. Okay, then when you come in, there's the front door. That's for my water cooler, which is now right there. Thank you, school. You got a little shoe rack, because in China, you wear indoor shoes, not outdoor shoes. It's really dirty here. So you walk in, you can see there's my closet. I've unpacked like 2 things. Into my bedroom. My air conditioner is currently dripping a little bit, but it's okay. The school is gonna come and fix it on Monday, I think. Okay, here's the living room. This is really unusual. I've never had this before, where the school got me like brand new plates and cleaning supplies, pots and pans and stuff. Really cool. And I've got a little terrace out here. That pole is for drying laundry. I'll take you guys out. This is my view of Beijing. There I am, hi. So really nice, really nice. It's really warm in here. I think my clothes will dry pretty quickly. Okay, still gotta, you know, unpack and hang things up. And we leave the living room, we come in, and I've got, hi everybody, this little bathroom nook. I have a washing machine. That is crazy. And a sink, little vanity area. And then here's the bathroom. It's a bit dirty. They just did construction to add in this feature. And you've got a nice Western toilet. This is really a typical Chinese bathroom. With just the drain in the floor. Okay, and then you spin around. There I am again in this little hallway, and move towards the kitchen. As you can see, I have a full fridge freezer. These bottom 2 drawers are a freezer, which is really nice. I didn't have that before. Microwave on top, cabinets, stove top, 2 hobs, an oven. They gave me eggs and instant noodles and cookies. The eggs here aren't refrigerated. I don't know why, but they're not. A little dish rack for there. Electric meter. They gave me a brand new coffee pot. You can see the cardboard. I opened that this morning straight away. Little broom. So here's the view of the kitchen looking out into the bathroom. It's really nice. Never had a kitchen before. So that's your little bathroom tour. I am super excited. This place is so nice. I've never lived somewhere this nice before, and I'm just really excited about this year and everything that's gonna happen. This is the grand tour. Loving it so far. Thanks for coming with me on this journey.